Hey everybody, this is Diane with Crafting with Fury. I hope each and every one of you are safe and healthy no matter where you are. I am so excited. I got my package from Beebeecraft for their design team, and I really appreciate them so much. And I'm excited about what I've got in this package, and when I open it, you guys will see why. But I will leave the link to everything I have here down below. And you guys don't forget that they are holding a YouTube program that if you do have 100 subscribers or more, oh, sorry guys. Do you remember when we were little, I couldn't help myself, how you would pop all these little bubbles? That was just like habit. I just started popping it. Oh my goodness. But as I was saying, they have a YouTube program. If you have 100 subscribers or more, then I will leave that link down below that you can contact them and tell them that you're interested in trying their YouTube program. And look how awesome that their products are packaged. I'm telling you, it's coming to you, and it's going to come to you in one piece. So let me get in here. I hope you guys had a wonderful Halloween. It's hard to believe. I'm actually recording this on Sunday, November the 1st, and I'll probably upload it tomorrow, Monday on the 2nd. But it's just, I can't believe it. And this time change, I do not like. I do not like the time change because it gets dark a lot quicker. Hold on a second, guys. I had to do it. Okay, come on. Okay, I'll stop. Just brings out the kid in me. All right. The first thing that I found that I wanted to try is this glitter paper. And it's 12 different colors. And there's 36 sheets of glitter paper, guys. So let's get in it and let's see the colors real quick. I was dying to try this. Oh my goodness, this paper is stunning. Oh wow, it's thick. It is thick too, guys. So there is like a beautiful, I guess you'd call it magenta. So you got 3 of those. Oh man, look at this orange. You get 3 of those. Ooh, love that black. And it's not coming off. Look at that. Look at that. Sparkle, sparkle, shine, shine. Mercy. Love it. There's black. There's purple and gold. Man, silver and a fuchsia color. Oh, I love these. Oh, my word. And I can't get over how thick they are. I'm dying to try them with a die, and we will do that. Oh, look at this red. Mercy. And this was almost like an olive green color. And this is a green and a silver and kind of a rose gold. I know it's not showing up on video, but oh, these are some beautiful colors. We are going to have a ball with them. And the next thing I found, they're calling these half round dome pearlized glass cabochons. Look at these. Look at these colors. Oh, look at that peach. Hey, Chef, look at that peach. Bobby Joe, look at that peach. Look at these colors. But here are some, they're actually glass cabochons, but they're like enamel dots. So you know I'm going to have a ball with them. Awesome. And this I got, and let me see what I mean. I mean, these packages are, they're going to come to you really packaged well. All right. And what this is, I got the 5 set cutting dies, and they're nesting dies. We all need nesting dies. And there's 5 sets in this, guys. 5. So let's look at these. Wow. Look at these right here. I wonder, I'm going to look and see. These are kind of like, let's see, they said there's hexagon, square, rectangle. Here's the hexagon. I know what that shape is. Awesome. Love it. And this would be the square. The scalloped. It's got the scalloped. Gorgeous. Love that. And then here is some, you could almost call them squares or ovals. Love those. And this shape, kind of like the little brackets, that is too stinking cute. And I love this. Look at all of those. This is gorgeous. And I think, let's see, this one comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Love this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the hexagon comes in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then the hexagon middle, 7. How awesome is that? Love these. So what I will do, you know what I could do for you real quick? I could measure. So these are going to go from, the largest is 4 by 3.5, and then the smallest one is 1 6/8 by 1.5, looks like. So that's the hexagon one. And then this one is going from 4 to 3, and then the smallest one is like 1 1/8 to almost 3/4. This one's a big size die here, guys. This one's 5.5, the largest, to 3 3/4, and then the small one in the middle, which would be perfect to stamp words on, is 2 1/4 by 1. Let's see, 5/8 looks like. So that's a good size die. And then this one right here goes to 4.5 by like 3 1/8 is the largest, and then this, I'd call these like labels. And then this one is like 1 3/4 by 1 1/4. And then the last one is 3.5, the largest, by, well, that one's 3.5. And then the smallest one there is 1 by 1. So those are some good size nesting dies. So thank you, Beebeecraft, for sending me these. I cannot wait to play with them. And everyone, go check Beebeecraft out. They've got all kinds of jewelry making, and as you can see, scrapbooking, dies, anything that you want to craft and make your crafting imagination just go crazy. So thank you guys so much for hanging with me. I truly appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Well, my phone is about ready to die, so forgive me, guys. So, there we go. So, see you guys. Bye-bye.